Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2021 Lexus NX300H. The H stands for hybrid, which is probably music to anyone's ears who's seen the recent gas prices lately. This very fuel efficient luxury crossover is a great product. And we all know that Lexus and Toyota are the gurus of hybrid technology. Toyota came out with one of the first production hybrids, I think maybe even the first production hybrid with the Toyota Prius. I actually worked at Toyota back in the day when that first came out. I've had two hybrid Toyotas myself. I think Toyota and Lexus make the best hybrid systems in the world. If I was going to get a hybrid, I would probably gravitate towards one of these products. I've seen plenty of hybrid Toyotas and Lexuses with well over 100,000 miles, some with 200,000+ miles. One of my Priuses actually had 220,000 miles on it by the time we retired it, and it still had more life left. I just needed to get a bigger, newer, safer vehicle for my family. But I could have probably easily have kept that Prius and put more miles on it. But let's talk about this lovely Lexus. This 2021 NX300H only has 14,672 miles. It's in beautiful shape inside and out. It's nearly pristine. It does have a crack in the windshield, but don't worry, I have a new windshield on order. So then it will be pretty much pristine once we get that taken care of. So you have the original build sheet on this one, very nicely equipped with features, and look at the gas mileage. The nice thing about hybrids is that they actually get better gas mileage in the city than they do on the highway. 33 city, 30 highway, average right around 31. That is awesome for a crossover SUV like this. And you still have a good amount of power, of close to 200 horsepower on top. This thing's not that big. This thing moves along just fine with all that power. Some of the features: we have auto dimming interior rear view mirrors with compass and home link, $150. Intuitive parking assist with auto braking, $535. Power back door with kick sensor, $550. This beautiful shade of eminent white pearl was a $425 premium color. Then we have the premium package. That was $2,630, bundling 18-inch wheels, heated and ventilated front seats, power tilt slide moonroof, Lexus memory system for driver's seat, outside mirrors, and steering wheel, premium LED daytime running lights, leather heated steering wheel with paddle shifters. Then let's see, we have the leather heated steering wheel with the paddle shifters. That was $150 for that. Then we have a Dorage film by 3M, $95, and glass breakage sensor, $330. And of course, we can print out a copy or email you one yourself. Beautiful perforated leather interior. I love the color, goes nicely with the white exterior. Really nice premium interior, very good fit and finish. Lexus, I think, has some of the best fit and finish build quality out there. Really cool features. Oh, look at this. I wonder if the Lexus engineers spent any time in Miami. I don't know why they have a mirror in there. I guess, you know, I'm joking aside, it's probably a good idea. Then you have this nice tracking pad to operate the infotainment system. It's like using a tracking pad on a mouse. You have a drive mode selector, electronic parking brake. There's your buttons for the heated and cooled seats, heated ventilated seats. There's your parking camera. Nice leather up steering wheel paddle shifters. We have a blind spot monitoring system. We have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Really looks beautiful in this pearl white. I love white. It's such an easy color to take care of. Surface imperfections, scratches, which inevitably are gonna happen as years and miles roll along, don't seem to show up quite as much as white. And it's kind of a misnomer. A lot of people think white gets dirty a lot easier, so it's quite the opposite. Black is the one that really shows dirt really quick right after you wash it. So if you don't like to wash your cars that often, I would try to get a white exterior like this one. Nice comfortable rear seats, they recline. And for a subcompact, this has a good amount of interior space. I'm 6'2". I have that front seat adjustment for my height. Look at all this legroom I have back here. Lots of space. I love the angular styling. Power liftgate. You have a cargo area cover. Of course, you can remove that if you want to fold down those rear seats for more cargo space for maybe those big Costco or Home Depot trips. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to pretty much anywhere in Washington and Oregon. We can put this on our car hauler, we can tow it to you, we can print up all the paperwork. So for a mobile delivery service, This NX300H hybrid can be all yours, potentially without leaving your neighborhood. Kind of like buying a vehicle from Carvana or Vroom, but instead of like ordering a car on a computer, you're dealing with a small business. We're a little bit more versatile. We can tailor the buying experience to your wants and needs. There's that awesome hybrid system by Lexus. Chip guard paint protection system. One beautiful hybrid Lexus. Thank you for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon and have a wonderful day.